After several days of camping and long-distance bicycle riding, you decide to ride straight home, riding at a constant rate. After 2 hours of riding, you are 10 kilometers from home. And after 4 hours of riding, you are 5 kilometers from home. Once you begin to ride home, in how many hours will you finish your bike ride and arrive at home? This last sentence is a little bit redundant. It really should say, what was your total length of your bike ride home? But let's just think about the data that they gave us. So let's just think about on one column, let's put how long you've been riding. So time riding. And then in this column, let's put the distance from home. So they tell us that after 2 hours, and the time is in hours, after 2 hours we are 10 kilometers from home, and after 4 hours, we are 5 kilometers from home. And we are going to home at a constant rate. So let's think about what this rate is. When our time increased by 2 hours, our distance decreased by 5. So if our time increased by another 2 hours, so now 6 hours have gone by, then our distance will have decreased by 5 again. So our distance will decrease by 5 again, and we are 0 kilometers from home. So we've answered our question. Once you begin to ride home, in how many hours will you finish your bike ride and arrive home? Well, it'll take you a total of 6 hours. Now, I'm going to ask ourselves another question that they didn't ask us here, which is how far away was I when I started riding?